Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to create a schedule for DND mode to be turned on and off automatically, we need to open the settings. And then in the settings you want to go to Focus, and over here tap on Do Not Disturb. Over here, if you scroll down, you can set up a schedule over here. You can press Add Schedule, or if you have some default schedules, then you can tap on them over here. You can turn on the schedule, choose from which time to which one should the DND mode be enabled. So let's say I'm gonna choose like 6 p.m. and then to, of course, let's say 6 a.m. Why not? Of course, over here you can choose days of the week, which should be included in the automated DND mode. And of course, later on, if you want to, for instance, manage the DND mode and delete it, then you have this button over here. And there we go. This is how we can create a schedule for the DND mode. You can create multiple schedules at once. You can even create a schedule based on the location or based on the app. So for instance, when you open the Books app, then you can enable the DND mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.